You, my guy, welcome back to our channel. Corper Mixer here. I still have another Corper here with me, and I'm so excited about his visit. This is actually the second one today, so we are making progress. So I'm going to allow him to introduce himself to us, the school he graduated from, course of study, and state of origin. So over to you, my guy.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
My name is Taiwo Israel Oluwadara.
Taiwo Israel Oluwadara.
Yeah, Oluwadara see me
For
I said Oluwadara see me.
okay now Oluwadara see me.
Yeah,
but Oluwadara is for for
short.
short. Okay, nice. Even the last girl, her name belong, I've been her school name. But all good. Your school, which school you?
I graduated from Federal University of Technology, Mina, popularly called Foot Mina.
Foot Mina.
Yeah.
Bro, I guys do this on camera because you just tell I mean na Foot Mina.
Wow.
And we know talk
Right.
we know talk before we start this, so I have to put my expression for you. So this one of mine. That's but that mean I really sat down.
We lift your flag on high, the pride of Nigeria.
Shout.
And you never for our love for you always see. Proud to be a footmate.
No, actually, proud to be a footmate. So which course you study?
I studied agriculture, general agriculture with specialization in crop production.
Okay, nice. Me na mathematics I did. We did a Boso campus. So na be GK.
Yes.
No, now before we graduate, we can join. I think our final year now will come
GK.
Sorry, GK. Our final year now will move from GK main camp. Yeah. So which state you from?
I'm from Oyo State.
Oyo State.
Pace setter.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, so next is your brand. You have a brand, a hustle. What inspired your brand? Just how did you get started?
I'm an agronomist, a farmer. Agronomist.
Agronomist.
Yes.
Okay, now so they call farmers.
Yes.
Coming a farmer, I know study agriculture, but
that's
I'm a farmer.
In a theoretical world,
okay.
That's how we call them. There's a course called agronomy special dealing with general agriculture.
Yes.
Now in agronomy we have different sections. You can be an horticulturist, you can be a pathologist, you can be a zoologist, you can be different. There are different sections in agronomy.
Yes, I be all those because you get one thing about agriculture is like farming. All these seedlings, plants, and the rest, they get how do they plant? I don't know. They get some kind technical.
There are different methods for planting seeds. There are different propagation methods. Some are propagated by stalk, some by seed, some by sucker, depending on the kind of crop that you intend to grow.
Sure.
So there are different methods for propagation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you be agronomist. That's what you do.
Yes, that's what I do. And agronomist, a greenhouse expert, to be precise. Greenhouse expert. Then I deal with this precision agriculture with the use of drone.
Nice.
So I can say based on the inspiration from Mr. Femi Adekoya, the flying farmer.
Ciao.
So I'm a drone pilot.
Okay, now Mr. Femi,
Mr. Femi.
The what? What do you call him?
The flying farmer.
Okay, the flying farmer.
Yes.
Now here you learn from.
Yeah. That was
nice. You're saying so, you're proud.
Yeah, so, the name of the school is Precision Field Academy. You can do well to check them out. Precision Field Academy. Yes. So okay.
That's cool. So is it like now after FUT you can't get?
Yes. Okay. I was even at a train. I attended one of their training last week. Okay. In Federal University of Technology.
Like okay, that's cool. Nice.
I attended one of their training.
Sharp.
So
that's
the court 4 is coming up. So if you can see this as a coming back. If you love agriculture, you love drone. If you love precision agriculture,
like get on board.
Join. On board. Yeah,
like engage.
Just join. Let's fly drone. Let's
sharp.
Agriculture is no more drudgery again. It's now before agriculture was for the poor, but now it's not for big men.
Yes.
Because if you know the cost of drone, you know what it takes to buy a drone is not easy. So that's not the future. Drone is the present agriculture.
Okay.
And that's what we are trying to explore.
Okay, that's good. You expand my head for the. No. I know. Okay, I say I be farmer. Yeah. Normally we just go farm corn, maize, farm rice. That's the things we will eat mostly. They get cash crop and they get
food.
And the one way you go chop and the one you go sell. So I think the one way we sell most times we sell soya beans. That one in this I big get money. Sometimes we do ginger. That one too they very money too they there. Even all those they maize and the rest, but maize, rice, most times not to consume for house. So nice. Thank you for
one thing. Then let me chip in one thing. One thing is everybody is a farmer, but not everybody can become a farmer. There's difference between being a farmer and a farmer.
Okay.
So you are a farmer,
and
I'm a farmer.
Yeah.
Apart from theory and other stuff, there's always a room to keep yourself and be on the market value.
Okay.
So that's another different thing to know what happens. And when we're talking about precision agriculture, it's not just for everybody. It's not just for any of us. So you have to get trained, you have to get a license. And that's how it was.
All right, that's cool. So your school, are you done? Have you still there inside the school? I see a student.
Yes, you are always a student. Anytime, any day, you're always a student. Because even in aviation world, I think after months or years, they used to come back for examination and to check in case of emergency and other stuff. You have to be updated.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, that's cool.
Updated.
That's cool.
For the brand and I'm also a saxophonist, and a big shout out to Pastor Kuli Ajayi from the Redeemed Christian Church of God. I saw him when I was 11 years old.
Okay.
And I love the way he played the saxophone then. So
NYSC inspired you
that was what inspired me. I've been following him, and I was even opportune to meet him. I don't know if you can still remember, but I was opportune to meet him. I think 2023, yes, 2023, yes.
You had a church program or
Holy
a concert?
Holy Ghost service in Lagos.
So Holy Ghost service.
Yeah, because of the passion, I have to find every way to meet him and tell him what he has done. So I think that's just. And I think I've been doing well for the past few years for myself. The brand has not been able to go further much, but for the time, because it has always been between school and music takes a lot of time.
Actually.
So I've not been able to. But now, so after NYSC, then we'll dive into the future of music.
Nice. So you've been get to play your instruments
for
camp?
Yes.
Inside camp?
Yes.
Nice.
I played in camp.
That's nice.
I played in one of them. I think the day they did Miss NYC and Mr. NYC.
Okay.
So I played then. Then there was a day too they did I think talent hunt too. I played too. So and Marshall band we always rehearse.
Okay, now Marshall band, but actually, and then the other
music
and the rest.
So
all right, that's
cool. Interesting.
Okay, so you share your camp experience with us. 3 weeks we've been there for camp. Any interesting thing happened?
I think one of the most exciting things that happened in camp for me was just Marshall band, because I didn't really do manual wardrobe. I didn't join any of those units. It was just strictly Marshall band. So and music has been part of me. Let me even say, out of 100% of my life, music is actually taking up to 60%. So that's what I do every day. So Marshall band, meeting new people, getting to play with professional and other people was just something cool. And I think that was quite fun.
Sharp. Okay, so how about like after NYSC? What next?
After NYSC, I would love to explore the agriculture world as a researcher, as a crop breeder, and as a drone pilot. As a drone pilot, I would love to create a world. How do I want to put it? A world recognized man in agriculture.
Nice.
I would want a word relevant, not just for the name, but for the work. I would love to meet a lot of people, collaborate with bodies, and I would like to also invent new things. And for the music too, I would love to. One of those persons that I think I would love to work with after NYSC, I think Baba Kuli Ajayi. PJ Sax, Jerry Omole, and Sax. I think those people I would like to. And there's one person, I don't know if we'll be able to see this. Bidemi Olaoba. I would love to meet him, and I would love to work with him.
Nice.
So I just think
all of them are like top. They are top dogs on
hot people.
They are hot people
in music.
Hot
you
people.
see Bidemi Olaoba, that guy. I think Bidemi Ola was even taking more part of me these days. So I listen to more of his song. And it's really the Bible says. So I think that's just
it. Right. So next is advice for coppers. Do you have any advice for coppers? People still coming up, even students with this school, and people too. We go like do agriculture. We go like do saxophone. Just give your general advice.
I will say this. We need to redefine agriculture in a way that agriculture is more than wearing dirty clothes. It is more than weeding. And I think one of those things that secondary school should look into, let me say public school in general, is they should stop giving weeding as a punishment to students, because people see it as a form of a drudgery act. So, and as SDG go, they want a zero hunger, no poverty, and stuff like that by 2020 or maybe 2030 or 2050. The rising population of humans are growing rapidly every day, and we would eat, we will always eat. So we need people. The same way we are taking our health serious, we should also take agriculture serious. So as students coming, venturing into agriculture should not be something that is bad. It is something that you should be proud of being a farmer. The same way we have people that have a mission of being a pharmacist, a doctor, we should always have people. Most people that study agriculture is as a result of that they were shifted there, or probably
like agri be like punishment.
For punishment. So
some people they actually go for
So we should have people that developed love for our food. Let's encourage the food we eat. And this is a plea to schools too. Let's encourage farming. Let's have young farmers work in secondary school. You can you don't have to have up to 10 acres now before you can do a lot of farming. Even in that small area in your house, you can do soilers, you can do sack farming, you can find some tires and
greenhouse farming.
So you can use shade net and other stuff. So and you'll be able to feed yourself, you'll be able to even sell to people. So as a coming buyer, as they are coming, there are a lot of opportunities in farming. There's a lot of opportunities. If you know them and you are willing to explore them. An example is drone. Drone is just gaining ground in Nigeria. So you can join the moving train. Let's help grow foods. And for music is a lot if you want to. But I would say it's cool. If you want to invest, you will get to meet a lot of people. There are a lot of doors. Music has actually opened for me. That even let me say the areas that are gaining more ground now in the world is either you are in football, you are in music, or you are in tech. So even now in agriculture, we're encouraging tech. We are embracing tech. We've embraced technology. So join the moving train.
All right, that's cool. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and my guy, thanks for coming.
Thank you. Thank you too.
So you guys should do how to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment, and share also. And see you on the next one.
See you. Bye.